Hi, this is Jim Angelillo. I'm with AVI-SPL, and we're here at ISE 2020 in Amsterdam, and we're at the AVI-SPL booth, and we're showing a very interesting solution this year called the Immersive Collaboration Room. And we'll walk inside here and take a look. This solution gives customers the ability to sit in a standard conference room, yet be able to put up large amounts of data, video, Office 365, PDFs, JPEGs, and all different types of related information, and actually work collaboratively with their team with all of that data present at the same time. It's a very powerful solution. It's something that we've had Google, Nike, and a variety of other large global customers come through and say this is exactly what they're looking for. So please come by. Nah, you don't want that, do you? So what we're looking at now are some Office 365 documents. We've got a PowerPoint slideshow, and we've got a document that is showing a variety of information. And what you're looking at, well, I just flubbed that. Yeah. Okay. So if you have interest in seeing any of the AVI-SPL offerings and solutions, you can join us at avispl.com, and thank you for looking in.